Tumwanchumulilia bono NIGO mwene wa waziri na waego yoro mwaziri we wizara ya manganichi nseche isko Musalia Mudavadi aburi ABARAI ao hamo onabana siasa KOEBEKA nechisegi chige siasa anene bosi bobo chorio bonne ebore bosi bobo mwaka 2025 nebere Mudavadi nigaya kwanira yakurwa imeye county ya Mombasa asa chakebene bikaro bya gatano limo bya legislative summit ibye county yeyo ya Mombasa.
We do not encourage violence as we head to elections. We should not be underwriters of violence. We want a democratic nation, a democratic process. That is where we shall build our nation. And that is why I'm asking you this fundamental question. What is the economic value of peace and security?
Government legislative agenda, in this case, refers to the policies, refers to the bills, and refers to the statutory instruments that we develop across the executive for transmission to Parliament for approval. And Your Excellency, I think going forward, because this has really worked to iron out the overlaps that were there before and ensure that there is seamless engagement between executive and Parliament, I believe going forward, county governments will also have to borrow this so that we ensure that there is seamless engagement between the county executive and county assemblies, because we need to work together to ensure the objects of devolution are delivered.
Honorable Prime Cabinet Secretary, the hot potato at the Senate is accountability. For whom much is given, much is expected. We will not blink. We will not see dead ground. You must account for every shilling that the toiling and moiling Kenyans give for devolution. So Kenyans, be prepared. We shall hold them to account whichever way they want to go.
I'm honored to address you at the 6th Legislative Summit. The coming together of members from all 14 counties for this summit is more than symbolic. It reflects a shared understanding that the everyday realities of Kenyans, whether in Tana River, Kakamega, Kilifi, or elsewhere, are shaped directly by the decisions you make within your assemblies. At the heart of devolutions lies a promise that governance will be closer, more responsive, and more accountable to the people. Whether that promise is fulfilled depends to a large extent on how effective you exercise one critical function: